Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your tax agent account on the ATO website. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in ato.gov.au and press enter. You will now be taken into the official website for the Australian Taxation Office. Now in order to log into your account, click on the Login to Online Services drop-down menu at the top right corner and you will find various different login options. In order to log into your agent account, click on Login via My Government ID underneath the Agent section. You will then see the Login with My Gov ID option, so go ahead and click on it and now you will be taken into the login portal. Go ahead and type in your Gov ID email address and then click on Login. You will then be asked to enter your account password, so type in your account password and then click on the login button once again and you will be logged into your agent account on the Australian Taxation Office website. In case you have forgotten your password, you will be able to click on the reset password button within the password menu. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your agent account on the Australian Taxation Office website. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.